What's up guys, DJK here, back with another video, and I'm playing Slime Rancher. But I've been playing for quite a while now, and I have a lot of different types of slimes. I have Rad Hunters, Pink Phosphors, Pink Tabbies, Pink Rocks. I have Pink Booms and Boom Phosphors. And then over here, down in this area, I have Boom Honeys, and I have Honey Hunters. Why are you happy? You were blowing up so much earlier. It's gotten into you guys. Anyway. Gives me all of this. And I fully upgraded myself, including like opening containers and stuff like that. Skip to that. And I also have one other slime, a type of slime, over by my lab, and I have done stuff in my lab, so don't worry. I've maxed every crawl I have out and every garden I have out. But I don't have any coops because they're really hard to get going to start making other things. These are my pond slimes. I recently took out the ports in this one, so you're not going to see many of those. But I like them because I don't really have to feed them, they just feed on water. Oh no. No. Bam. Bam. Oh, come on. I have found a lot of things. And I have a lot of areas unlocked. I have 2 slime keys, which is cool. I also found 2, like, lucky slimes so far, but I haven't gotten anything from either of them, so. Quickly cash these in. Then I'll feed all my slimes, and then we can start adventuring today. Oh wait, I have to do stuff with my lab as well today, so we can get to that as well. Yeah, I guess I'll do my lab thing first. So, the thing with my lab is I have this.
Has it moved this entire time?
Then that was much. No, I had like 40 other robots besides these. Not all working at the same time, but yeah. You can see that by how many I have of this stuff. I have a lot of primary oil and spiritual stream. I guess I could replant some of these guys. Okay, one of these guys. Yeah, that's nice. Ooh, good. My main source of food for all my slimes is, carrots and, Q-berries. Yeah, I guess the game developers couldn't really come up with a clever name for carrots, so they just went with carrot. I mean, I just started out with these, like, 3 minutes before I started recording. I just got them. So I guess I'll, like, turn it down a bit since I don't have all that much food. Yeah, I honestly thought that the hunters were going to be too hostile for me to do something like that, so... But I didn't, so... Guess we could say that one works. And yes, I am playing a lot of new games recently. It's just because I want to. And also because when I get the games, I want to start playing them immediately. But with Cuphead, that was like first impressions. This, I had first impressions like 2 days ago. And I already got this far. And sometimes I think I'm faring too well in this game. I kind of want a challenge in this game. The only challenge really is the tedious task of like defeating them, but that's fine. I mean, it's not really tedious. I mean, unless I make it tedious by like sleeping for 2 days and coming back and have to feed them. And that's like if I do it all the time. Yeah. And like I said, I've maxed every garden out that I have. And every corral, so they have anything and everything that they want. Go away, Destiny. I'm playing Slime Rancher, not Destiny. Hi there. I've already been recording for 7 minutes. Really? When I'm not recording, time goes by really slow. I feel like it's only been 3 minutes. I'm not gonna have enough time to explore at this rate. Matter of fact, I'm not gonna have enough time to explore at all. I'm trying to keep my recordings to maximum of 15 minutes. Because I have like a storage issue. I've been trying to work it out for a bit, but it's not really working, so... Gives me... What? Yeah. Alright. So I'm just gonna quickly... Give me all your boards. I want all of them. I'm getting a really weird vocabulary from this. Give me all of the honey quartz. You know what? Why not? Let's do that. Make a big mess. Yeah. Oh yeah, I know. Oh no, wait, that's water. I also need to do something with the rad slimes. I just can't remember what. Oh yeah, I have to put some into the refiner. Like, I think it was 3. Yeah, it was 3. Into the refiner, and then I will have enough materials for whatever I needed to do with it. But I'm gonna take some teleports with me because I think I'm gonna run out of those soon for my lab. But so far I think this game is really cool and I like it, and that's why I haven't been able to stop playing it. Please help me, I need help. What? So, yeah, after I'm done feeding and taking all the reports out of all of everyone, I'm just gonna get the rad ports and take them, and the tablet ports, and take them to my lab. They'll give me these before all of them turn to dust. Alright. Alright. And oh no, I might not even have enough time in the video to do the rad thing. You know, I will. I have to have enough time. Come on. Just get all the Q berries and go over here. Oh yeah, these were about to run out. Come on. I'm not gonna have enough time, am I? I'm gonna try to have enough time. Come on. Come on. I'm tired of all, like, these extras everywhere. Ow. I'm just gonna put him in here. Alright. Next one. Probably just wasted time doing that. I shouldn't have done that. Come on. Come on. Alright. Go! Alright, let's see how many parts we need. Oh no. Oh. I'm not gonna have enough time in the video. You know what? I'll worry about cashing these in later. I might have enough time if I just collect these and then collect the rad ones and then go. Might have enough time to do that, I don't know. Come on. Come on. Give me all of them, stop it, lag! I need them! Is that lag, or are they slowing down time? I don't think they can slow down time, so I'm just gonna blame it on lag. Alright. I'm not gonna have enough time to do this, am I? No, come on. Come on, yes! Where's that last one? Alright, well, I've been DJK. Goodbye.